Want to get rich in Blox Fruits? Here's how I made over 1 billion money and how you can start building your fortune too. Tips before you start. First, if you're paid to win, grab the 2x Money Game Pass. It doubles all money earned except from chests. Also, having Roblox Premium adds a 10% money bonus across the board. Even without game passes, just by reaching max level through passive grinding, you can earn 20 to 25 million naturally. Route 1. Sea Beast Hunting. Sea beasts spawn in the 2nd and 3rd seas. Each one gives 90k to 150k money, or over 300k with the 2x pass. Tip: join private servers to farm them back to back. It's one of the best money methods in the game. Route 2. AFK Farming at Haunted Castle. Use the Awakened Quake Fruit and Choppa accessory for cooldown reduction. Stand by the tree at Haunted Castle and automate the V-move with Tiny Task or Mobile Auto Clicker. This setup can make you millions overnight. Bonus: farm bones while you're AFK, then trade them at the Death King NPC for surprise rewards, often giving 15k plus money. Route 3. Quest Grinding. During events like Christmas, quests give massive payouts. At Tiki Outpost, I farmed enemies using the Buddha range glitch with Cursed Dual Katana, earning over 100 million by the end of the event. Extra methods? Elite pirate hunts from Castle on the Sea equal 25k per pirate. Random surprises from the Death King equal up to 2 million earned over time. Consistent boss quests with money plus fragment combo. And that's how I hit 1 billion in Blox Fruits. Apply these methods and you could be next. Follow for more Blox tips and let me know if you want a full Sea Beast farming guide next.